Hello friends, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can upload videos on YouTube professionally. Just click on the plus button. Then click on the upload a video button. Select the video. Enter the title here. Enter description here. Set your visibility. Select location. Add to the playlist from here. Finally, click on the upload button. Wait until it is uploading. Just publish it. You can also find and edit the video from the YouTube Creator Studio Android or iPhone app. Just do the necessary editing and publish it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.